My legs are like literally shaking right now.
Yeah, I'm the one that got the scene banging, and I go hard, that's why they keep.
So guys, today is my birthday and I want to go to the market to get a few things so that I can, make myself breakfast, lunch. Like I'm batch cooking today basically. And this is my outfit that I'm wearing to the market. So come with me, let's go to the market to get a few things. And I'm crying in debit a lot in advance. Okay. Babe, I'm with you. tired was a person. I had to come hide in the bathroom because it's not me that my trainer is gonna kill. You guys, leg days are the worst days, and I mean it, I swear. I'm so tired right now, like very tired. So guys, today's workout was a success. Today was leg day and my legs are like literally shaking right now. So I'm on my way to go get noodles and a few groceries at the supermarket. So yeah, basically that's it. Let me show you guys my view. This is my view. Abeokuta and nature, sha. Are you from Abeokuta, and what are the few things that you really like about Abeokuta? Yeah, let me know in the comment section. I'll be waiting. Me opens camera, proceeds to admire myself. I admire myself 22 hours in a day, because why not? I mean, if I don't admire myself, please, who will help me to admire myself? I love myself, I love my body, I am enough, my body is enough for me, you know. I mean, I don't think anybody can body shame me at this point that I've got into in my life. All right guys, so yeah.
That's so sweet. Hey, what? You too close to us. Well, it ain't much to do in here. That ain't what you say to your boss. Okay, fine, girl. I'll go stock the shelf and I'm sure while I'm doing that back there,